The 2025 Toyota Corolla is designed with a blend of comfort, technology, and efficiency, making it a top choice for those seeking reliability in a compact sedan. It features a range of powertrain options, including a fuel-efficient 1.8-liter hybrid engine that achieves up to 50 miles per gallon, and a peppy 2.0-liter four-cylinder with 169 horsepower. The Corolla's sleek design is paired with advanced safety features, like lane departure alert and adaptive cruise control, which comes standard on all models under Toyota's Safety Sense package. Inside, the Corolla offers a user-friendly 8-inch infotainment display with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, as well as voice recognition and Bluetooth for seamless connectivity. The seats are designed with comfort in mind, providing manual adjustments and an option for leatherette upholstery in higher trims. Front seat passengers enjoy ample headroom and legroom, and the rear seats can fold down to extend cargo space for added versatility. Additionally, the 2025 Corolla comes with standard conveniences like heated mirrors, keyless entry, and a tilt and telescoping steering wheel. Optional packages enhance the experience with added features like a premium audio system, wireless charging, and upgraded exterior styling elements. For those prioritizing environmental consciousness, the Corolla hybrid trims offer impressive mileage and lower emissions, making it an excellent choice for eco-minded drivers.